How much money people on YouTube are actually making. In this video I'm gonna give you an example of 6 different popular niches on YouTube and how much they're earning. Make sure you watch till the end so you can find out what is one of the best paying niches in YouTube is. So in this video I'm gonna mention 6 different niches starting from the lowest to the highest paid one. But before I start, make sure that you have in mind that these RPM metrics that I'm gonna show you for these niches is what channel of that type is averaging. And that is because the main reason of the revenue of one channel is based on what region the viewers are coming from and what is the length of that video. Now when we got this out of the way, let's start with the first one, which is a gaming channel. This is one of the most saturated niches in YouTube, and creators in that niche are averaging around $2.52 per thousand views. The next channel we're gonna look up is in the makeup niche. They're actually not showing how much RPM they're getting, but if we divide this 13,000 euros by 4,400, the RPM of that kind of channel comes to €2.95, which in dollars is $3.17 per thousand views. The next channel we're gonna look at is in the productivity niche, and they're getting around £4.16, which in US dollars is around $5. The next channel we're gonna talk about is in the music niche, and they're getting £4.27, which in US dollars is $5.15 per thousand views. The next channel is in make money online niche, and this is where the RPM gets much higher. They're also not showing their RPM, but if we take this 5,600 and divide it by 540, you can see that they're averaging around $10.44 per thousand views. And the last channel is on the finance niche, which is having one of the highest RPMs on YouTube. And in particular, this channel is making $21.20 per thousand views after the YouTube cut. And here you can look at overview of the channels and the RPMs they are getting. And if you want to increase your YouTube RPM, I strongly suggest you watch this video right here. I'm showing a method how you can increase your RPM and revenue on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.